Hi, I'm Trey Turner, founder and owner of Dingy Forest Nature Park. We'd love for you and your family to come visit us this summer. We have wonderful stuff to offer to you, but don't just take my word for it. Listen to the staff.
Hello, I'm Khaki Jack. Here at Dingy Forest Nature Park, we have all the amenities of other nature parks, including
We got trees.
We got dirt and grass
and water.
And dangerous wildlife.
Come on down to Dingy Forest Nature Park. Horse it around. You can pig out. But do not be the one to let the dogs out.
Feel free to bring your kids also, and they can work with our wonderful camp director of children. Tell the fine folks what the children will be up to at the camp.
Why do you keep bringing the kid here? I'm trying to sit here and sleep all day, and you keep bringing the kid!
Fun. Camp fun. If you love fun and love being attacked by bears, come on down to Dingy Forest Nature Park.
I'm a